Hey everyone! Today we're tackling a fascinating concept in matrices, the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. It unlocks a powerful tool for solving various problems. For those new to matrices, there's a helpful link in the description below to get you started. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments, and if you're enjoying the content, a like and subscribe would be awesome. Let's dive in. First of all, to find determinant of a matrix, it should be a square matrix, which means it should have same number of rows and columns. So here we have this 3 by 3 matrix, and we want to find its determinant. We use any row and column we want. So I decided to use these two. Then we take the rest and we calculate a 1 into B2 times C3 minus C2 times B3 equal a 2 into B1 times C3 minus C1 times B3 equal a 2 into B1 times C3 minus C1 times B3. And the last one is a 3 into B1 times C2 minus C1 times B2. And we add them to get the determinant as follows. And if you are asking about these signs, do not forget to use the sign matrix in this procedure, as you can see on the top of the page. Now, let's solve this example. So the answer will be 4 into minus 2 times 1 minus 6 times 2, minus 1 into 6 times 1 minus 6 times 3, plus 5 into 6 times 2 minus 2 times 3. And the final answer will be 46.